Managing type 2 diabetes with intermittent fasting can be effective, but it should be done carefully and ideally under medical supervision. Here are the top 5 tips. 1. Consult your healthcare provider. Before starting intermittent fasting, it's crucial to talk to your doctor or a diabetes specialist to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your specific health condition. Discuss your current medications, blood sugar levels, and any other health concerns to create a tailored plan. 2. Start gradually. Easing into intermittent fasting can help your body adjust and reduce the risk of hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Begin with shorter fasting periods, e.g., 12 hours, and gradually increase to longer periods, example, 16 hours, as you become more comfortable. 3. Monitor blood sugar levels regularly. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels helps you understand how your body responds to fasting and prevents dangerous lows. Use a glucometer to check your blood sugar at different times of the day, especially before and after fasting periods. 4. Stay hydrated and choose nutrient-dense foods. Proper hydration and nutrition are essential to maintain energy levels and prevent spikes or drops in blood sugar. Drink plenty of water and consume balanced meals rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats during eating windows. Avoid sugary and processed foods. 5. Adjust medications as needed. Fasting can affect how your body metabolizes medications, particularly insulin and other diabetes drugs. Work with your healthcare provider to adjust medication dosages if necessary to avoid hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia during fasting periods. Additional tips include: listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel during fasting. If you experience dizziness, extreme hunger, confusion, or any other concerning symptoms, break your fast and seek medical advice. Stay active. Incorporate light to moderate exercise into your routine, as it can help regulate blood sugar levels, but be mindful of timing around your fasting schedule. By following these tips and working closely with your healthcare provider, you can safely manage type 2 diabetes through intermittent fasting.